Today we're going to take a look at this multi-device Logitech device. We're going to take a look at it and see how small it is, and if you compare it to the size of the box. This box itself is about 12 inches, alright? So we're going to go ahead and unwrap. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and set it up as with my cell phone. So look how small it is. Really petite, tiny. The box is 12 inches, but the phone itself, and there's instructions in here, of course. They give you instructions. Nothing else, no batteries, no nothing. So we're gonna put the box on the side and see if we could actually get it working. So the keyboard itself compared to a larger keyboard, we're gonna go ahead and compare it so you guys can see the comparison on it. They give you instruction indicating Bluetooth. There's 3 different connections. There's 3 different Bluetooth settings that you can have for 3 different devices. So that means you can have it for your iPad, your computer, and maybe another computer if you have at home. So 3 different devices lighting up. You have to hold the button for 3 seconds in order to move to the next one. If you want more options, you could download the keyboard settings under logitech.com/options. So let's go ahead and remove. First of all, let's open it up here. It takes AAA batteries, if you guys see, and they always put this plastic in here so it won't run your batteries out. So before you get it. So today we're gonna synchronize the phone into this keyboard. And let's go ahead and begin. I have a Droid, but this works for an iPhone, Droid, anything. So right now we're gonna go Bluetooth, if you guys can see the Bluetooth settings here. And I'm gonna hold down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let it go. It starts looking for it, and you're gonna have to find it. It should be Logitech keyboard somewhere in the bottom. And here it is. It's coming up. It says keyboard K380. So that's it. You click on it. It's pairing. Once it says okay, this starts indicating the light right here, if you guys can see it blinking. And we're all set. Enter the code. So now we have to enter the code 005036 and then enter. Okay, so we got the phone by entering the code itself, and it just as simple as that. Now we could type it away. So and we're gonna type away here. You guys can see it. There it goes. Type away. Test. Oops. Test this keyboard out. So I have my phone running on the keyboard. You guys can see I'm gonna keep typing in, typing away. This is pretty good. There's other options in here. There's also a mute button here. So you could change the complete mute, and it does mute the phone. You could put it all the way up. And I'm gonna mute it, my phone wirelessly. There you go, it's mute. And then I'm gonna put all the volume up again. It says here app to start apps. So I'm gonna start app listening. I don't want to do the listening. Cancel. Very small, very petite. We're gonna go ahead and cancel this out. So right now, currently, I have 1 computer's program into this system. You could add 2 more. You could add your desktop, your iMac, or your iPhone if you want. It's up to you. So there's different options that you can have here. Very simple. We're gonna compare with another keyboard and see how loud it is compared to it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we're gonna commence with the Logitech K380. And we're gonna do a noise comparison. This is a mechanical keyboard, all right? And I'm gonna put the sound a little bit closer so you guys can hear it. That's a mechanical key. 10 full keys, all right? And compared to this small keyboard, the K380, Logitech K380. K380 Logitech. It's pretty much that's it. Compared to the size of it, like I said, it's a lot smaller. It's compact, easy to use. If you have any questions or any comments, hit me up. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, out.